Namar Kapatisi TV. Kabul, ka machine kabalas snacker pang kabak hamskem, kamstet, kamklan, bat maduna bam umpia.
Menteri Rambak Kajelau Kondot Kisangma, Habakren Jingkyllaiñ Pule, Yaka building Batmai, Jongka Nong Karai Presbyterian High Secondary School, Hakishnong Soping, Hakakhatsam Tarik Urisa Waraja Pesan, Ulaong Baka Sorkar, Wat Haba Kala Pynlut Bon Hakapisa, Hakapule Puthi, Henry Ka Epat Ban Pynïaid Beit Pynïaid Renti, Namar Jingkyllaiñ. Ulaong Batang Hakapule Puthi Ka Sorkar Kala Pynlut, Haduk Lai Hajar, Henry Uspa, San Pusau Kulur Tengka, Bat Nakani, Kumbaar Hajar Kulur Duna, La Pynlut tang ban siu tulop ikinaikai bat kendai spa khatnyo kulur tengka la Pynlut man la usnem nak benta ban siu tulop ikinaikai deficit bat ad hoc nreu spa prapsau kulur nak benta ki skul sorkar bat lai spa nreu punreu kulur tengka nak benta ki skul SSA bat nakini ki Jingkyllaiñ ki dangyai keu nak kapor syakapor ulaong bawat la ka sorkar ka Pynlut pisa bah ka Pule Puthi handai ka jingmi pat kam long gat kum ka jingmi lenti bat ka dan shibun kidau.
Friends, today Meghalaya spends 3,654 crores. 3,654 crores out of 30,000 crores we spend on education alone. On education alone, 3,654 crores. Out of this 3,654 crores, on salaries alone, for the teachers, we spend close to 2,000 crores. Out of which grant in aid, and when I say grant in aid, I mean deficit and ad hoc pattern. We spend 917 crores every year for salaries of teachers. Compared to government schools, we spend 684. And for SSA schools, we spend 366 crores. And this number keeps going up. So we are very clear that education needs the investment. What of course is something that is of great concern to me and of course to all of you, is that the amount of investments we're making, the returns of that are not to the level that I would wish. And there are many reasons for it. I'm not here to blame anybody. Education has been a very complex subject for us. Very, very complex. We have 14,582 schools. You compare that to a state like Manipur, which is very similar in size to us. They have only 4,000 schools. We have 14,000 schools. They have about 30,000 teachers. We have 55,000 teachers. We have approximately 20 categories of different schools and classifications of schools. We have 24 or 25 teachers associations also. And so on and so forth. It's a very complex picture of education. In the same village, in one village, you will have a government LP school, you will have the SSA school, then you will have the ad hoc school also by some denomination, and another SSA, another ad hoc school by another denomination. And suddenly you see that there are 20 students, 22 students, 20 students in each school, and each school has 8 teachers. But if you were to put all of that together, you have about 60 students, but you have about 20 teachers because they are different schools. This is a complexity with which we work today. Again, this has happened in the last 52, 53 years. There's nobody to blame for it. Everybody tried to do their best to improve, but in the process introduced new sections, new categories, new teachers, build up some people, brought more people. But while they brought that, we could not rationalize things properly. We could not bring the efficiency in the system, and we had a very large overload in the system. So these complexities today are creating a large problem for us. So a student will pass from a government LP school. So in the same village there's a government LP school. But the UP is run by the ad hoc. Then the secondary is run by say SSA, and the higher secondary is run by deficit by some other private school. And therefore in that category also the students are going through different kind of challenges. It's not consistent. And therefore education, though we spend a lot, we are not able to rationalize. We are not able to make the system efficient. And we're not able to really provide that smooth platform for our students so that they're able to get the education in a very, very consistent manner without too much of problem for them.
Pin riu spa ya các tiên là dòng pin đâm cam ya cả ba căn kiêu các tiên khasi các tiên là dòng ai cần rồi cần pa balai phi ong gate habangi don la ka jong ka kan tiên khasi khardop lani phalor bli lani khang ya ka tu ka phalor ni ju ya ong saka weipan kakten khasi kam ju ong ban ya kiu yau up hinrangi kiu yau thep tu da yakan mau kan det ho lapan mi da ka pati CTV na ka benta ka jingman toy upat ba